Hi, and welcome to the Advanced Sudoku and Desktop Generator app. The ideal audience is Sudoku enthusiasts who are proficient with advanced solving techniques and thrive on puzzles that demand focused concentration. Okay, so let's get going and click on the Create Puzzles button. On the following page is a form with some simple settings to be filled out before clicking on the Generate Puzzle at the bottom of the page. So if you follow these steps, we'll get your first puzzles generated quickly. So step 1, select your difficulty level. So you can do advanced 40, 41, 42, 43 or 44. We'll select advanced 40. Now you'll be asking yourself, what are the differences between the levels? And that's a very good question. The software has been built to allow 5 distinct puzzles based on the number of blank squares to be filled in. That's where the numbers come into effect of 40 equals 40 blank squares to be filled in with the correct numbers between 1 and 9. So the same will apply to 41, 42, 43 and advanced 44. Next thing we need to do is customize puzzle heading. The default is advanced Sudoku, but we're actually going to put in the number 40 so that we know that that's the difficulty level we're working with, and our clients will know that's the same difficulty level as well. So now let's go down to customize the solution heading if you want to. Default is solutions. Now one of the things I've tried doing with the software is with a puzzle heading and solution heading, you can try putting or converting this into your own local language. So the best way of testing it out is to fill in the rest of the settings and generate your puzzle. And on the placeholder page that comes up next, if there's no errors, then you're really good to go. If there are errors, then unfortunately you'll have to come back and use English. Okay, so the number of puzzles we can have is anywhere between 4 and 480. I like starting off on 90. Puzzles per page, we're going to use 1. Solutions per page, you can have 1, 4 or 6. I'm going to use 6. And the puzzle grid size, refer the cheat sheet. So you just click on this button here. I've already got mine open, and we're going to go down to number 7, where the puzzle grid size we want 75 for one puzzle per page, and number 8, solution grid sizes, we want 6 solutions per page, and that is 24. Now we can generate puzzle. This is the placeholder page that generates all your puzzles and solutions. Now you can go through this and have a look for yourself. It's not complete yet. We still have to customize it to create a PDF. So right click, click on print. Probably take a couple of seconds to come through. If you have this printer connection error, don't worry, just cancel it, because we want the next dialog box, and we want to select Microsoft Print to PDF. Go down to Preferences, down to Advanced, change the letter to A4 and click OK. OK, print. Next dialog box is going to ask us where do we want to save it, and we're going to go to G Puzzles. This one is, and just had to slide it down so I could see for myself. So we're going to call this Advanced 40 with an underscore 90. So we know that's the difficulty level, and we've got 90 puzzles per page. Now we're going to select save. We're going to move this out the road and open the folder where we saved it. So we'd click on Advanced 40. In the preview pane here, it will actually show you the layout of your PDF. It just takes a wee while. Here it comes. All right, So there you see there's your puzzle 1, puzzle 2, etc, etc. Let's pause the video and go to number 90. And there we've come down to puzzle 90. Just so happens to be page 90. There's the layout of your solutions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you go right down to the very bottom of this PDF now, you can't see it. One moment. There it is. So I wanted to show you that it's page 105. If you end up having any more than those pages, then your PDF hasn't been generated correctly. So just go back to where we were when we were setting it up here and just click on Generate Puzzle again, and that should fix it. Now, one of the reasons why I really love this software is that it's so easy to do a rinse and repeat. Now that we have all the settings here, if we want to generate a brand new Advanced 40 Sudoku puzzle book, we just have to click on Generate Puzzle. And there, if you compare this to what we had before, this is a completely new puzzle, so we can check that. It's blank 48, blank 75. So if you look here, and we'll scroll right up to the top very quickly, you can see this is blank 1, blank 4, 7, blank blank. So it's a completely new puzzle that you've now generated. So let's get out of there for the moment and go back and do a new setting. So we go to 92, 2, and 4. We now need to change the puzzle grid size to 2 and 4 respectively. So we'll go back to number 7. 2 puzzles per page is 30. 4 puzzles per solution page. Oh, that's 30 as well. That's good. So now we just generate puzzle. And you can see that with that's the new layout. And yet again, if we want to see what this looks like as a proper PDF, we need to right click, go to print, come back over, Microsoft Print, Preferences, Advanced, Letter, OK, OK, apply, print, and we're going to do this one as Advanced 40 underscore, and we're going to do 2 underscore 4 and then underscore 90. And the reason why I've done that is we now know that the difficulty level is Advanced 40. We've got 2 puzzles per page and 4 puzzles or 4 solutions per page, and there's 90 puzzles. So we're just going to go and click and save that. We're going to go into the folder that we were there just a moment ago, and we're going to click on the Advanced 40. Now, if you see this error here come up, refresh, don't panic, just re-click, and there you go. It's just, the reason being is the PDF hadn't quite finished creating your PDF. So there's your layout. Looks really good. Again, I'm going to scroll down to page 45. Hope that didn't hurt your eyes. 44, there it is, 45. So we've got 89 and 90. And the solutions is now 1, 2, what have we got there? Oh, 92, yeah, of course. So there's your 4 solutions per page. And with this PDF in particular, if it's page 69, everything's worked brilliantly. So we'll head on back to this page here, and one last one. We change this to 90 because you can play around with this to your heart's content, creating the different types of puzzle books. So 2 and 6. So we know this one here is 24, 6 pages, 6 solutions per page, and then we'll just go and create the puzzle. I'm not going to do it this time, but for you to create the PDF, just follow steps 10 to 14 and you're away laughing. All right, well, thanks very much for listening and watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. My name's Ron Pumflick and I'm out of here. Bye for now.